become like this, and then you may make it squeezing around, and you may steam it to cook. Okay, wait. Until the dough become like this, okay? Now you may steam it to be cooked. Well done, because make a bit longer if you cook well done, or steam it well done. Yes, steam it. We say now we will steam it to be well done. Okay, wait. If you want to taste it more flavor, or taste it more sweet, then you may fill brown sugar. I make it slices already, and now I will fill with the slices of brown sugar. Okay, wait. You may say, several slices of brown sugar set like this cake, and then make it ball, or squeeze it like ball, or squeeze it ball. Okay, like this. Nice. Is it nice looking or not? Nice. I think nice. Okay, wait. Now you may see banana milk is still it's still cooking itself. Okay, my bad. Let's still cook. I'm waiting for what to be cooked. Well done, cook. Okay. Now after this, you may see the final steam ball I made. Okay, bye. Rồi, bye. Wait. I don't have any cover that match or fit for my steamer. Then I will use whatever pieces or things that can be the cover. Okay, just like this. See? Wow. Can be for cover for my steamer. Okay, wait. I will already try the steam ball I make. Say, is it cooked already or not yet? I have to check it. This is check. See? I think I have to wait more several minutes. Okay, wait. I will make my steam cake faster cook. Then I change the cover of my steamer. I think this is more tight, so I think it can be faster cook. Okay, you see it? Yeah, I use a boil pan to cover it. Okay, wait. Now I have to recharge your steam cake make. Is it cook or not? Say, how do you think? How do you think, Alice? I think this is cooked already because the color become brown, yeah, more brown and lighter. See, I cannot hear me. Solve it. Check. You may solve it. Solve it. Solve. 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 Okay, you may solve it. Solve. 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 Solve it. Solve it. Solve it. Okay. Bye bye. See you in a session of the broken kitchen. This is a symbol of redesign of fruit cake. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.